Hello, today I'm really hoping to get something I can assemble, because I'm getting kind of tired of figurines. They're fun, but I like things that have to be put together. Okay, let's see what we get. Ooh, nicely split. I'm getting quite good at this. And let me open up. Oh, seems packed. There's something. Oh, a toy! What? Get out! What is this? Oh god. Oh yes. It's a decent toy. Let's see. Oh yeah. What's this? Put here, I think. And okay, read the instruction manual next time. Like this, and then you just fire it. Let's try it again. It's supposed to be... I'm gonna get this, don't you worry. There we go. Where did it go? Let me try again. I have no clue how to call this in English, but there it goes. It's a children's toy. I love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. And if you like it, like and subscribe. Maybe share too.